Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'm up with yet another fun video, that is how to doodle Zentangle. Doodling is something that is so relaxing, and you can literally draw anything to everything that comes to your mind. You just have to pick up your pencil or black gel pen and draw different shapes and patterns, color them up or complete them by detailing. And I'm pretty sure you'll always end up with something very beautiful and amazing. Especially when nowadays there is so much negativity around, doodling always soothes your mind and you end up feeling peaceful and satisfied. Watch the video till the end to see such a beautiful output. And now enjoy the video along with this beautiful music.
Through the highways till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.